Hello students and welcome to my channel. So today we are going to study about ratio and proportion part 3. In part 1 and part 2 video we have already discussed about the ratio and the concept of proportion, that is how can we find out mean proportion, fourth proportion, third proportion, and also the concept of continued proportion. Now in this part, that is part 3 video, we will be discussing the important properties of proportion. The link of part 1 and part 2 video is shared in the description box. You can see from there. So the properties of proportion are, the very first property of proportion is invertendo. See, what is invertendo? Let's suppose we are given 4 quantities that are in proportion. What is A is to B is proportion to C is to D. That means we can write A by B is equals to C by D. So invertendo property says that if A by B is equals to C by D, this implies that B by A is equals to what? D by C. This is invertendo property. So we can write directly by invertendo. Now the next property over here is alternative. Whenever in proportion we have to solve the questions related to this concept, so we write over there that which property of proportion we are using. Alternative, let's suppose A is to B is proportion to C is to D. That means A by B is equals to C by D. तो alternative में क्या होता है, C comes to this side and B goes to that side. Thus A by C, this implies that. According to alternative, if A by B is equals to C by D, then according to alternative, it will be A by C is equals to B by D. Similarly, the third property which we have, that is componendo. This is alternando. Sorry for that. It is alternando. Componendo में क्या होता है, if A by B is equals to C by D, then according to componendo we can write A by B upon B is equals to C plus D by D. Similarly, fourth property is dividendo. In dividendo again, if A by B is equals to C by D, so this implies that A minus B by B is equals to C minus D by D. So this is 4 properties which we have discussed. There is one more property, that is componendo and dividendo. So componendo and dividendo says if A by B is equals to C by D, so this implies that A plus B upon A minus B is equals to C plus D upon C minus D. So these are the 5 important properties of proportion. Related to these properties only, we will solve certain questions. I am repeating once again these properties. The very first property is invertendo, जिसमें हम invert कर देते हैं B by A equal D by C. Alternando, जिसमें हम alternate, जैसे C इसके साथ आ जाएगा and B will go there, A by C equal B by D. Componendo में A plus B by B equals C plus D by D. Dividendo, A minus B by B equals C minus D by D. And then the last property is componendo and dividendo. So A by B, A plus B upon A minus B equals C plus D upon C minus D. Now we will be seeing the questions related to these properties only. So the question is, if 8x plus 13y upon 8x minus 13y equals 9 by 7, find x is to y using property of proportion. अब देखिए यहाँ पर they have mentioned using property of proportion. We have learnt one concept in ratio, दैट क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर लेंगे तो वी कैन फाइंड आउट द रेशियो ऑफ एक्स टू वाई. But now if they are mentioned using the property of proportion, so we'll apply property of proportion over here. So the question is 8x plus 13y upon 8x minus 13y equal 9/7. So we'll apply over here, applying componendo and dividendo. So when we'll apply componendo and dividendo over here, so we'll get 8x plus 13y plus 8x minus 13y upon, ये a हमने कंसिडर किया and this is b, तो a plus b upon a minus b, तो ये माइनस एंड माइनस क्या हो जाएगा प्लस. सो दिस इज कैंसल्ड एंड यहाँ पर 8x कैंसिल. सिमिलर प्रॉपर्टी हम RHS में भी अप्लाई करेंगे. 9 plus 7 upon 9 minus 7. So 8 plus 8, I'll get what? 16x by 13 plus 13, 26y equal 9 plus 7, 16y, 16 upon 2. Thus this 16 and this 16 got cancelled. So x by y is what? 26 by 2. Thus x is to y equals to 13. So this is how we can find out the ratio by using the property of proportion. Now we'll see one more question related to this. So the question is, if a is to b is equals to c is to d, show that 3a plus 2b is to 3a minus 2b equals 3c plus 2d is to 3c minus 2d. नाउ अब देखिए उन्होंने दिया है कि a बाय b इज इक्वल टू वॉट? c बाय d. एंड अगर हम ध्यान दें तो a के आगे 3 है, दैट मीन्स हेयर इट इज 3, एंड b के आगे 2, हेयर इट इज 2. सिमिलरली बिफोर c वी हैव 3 एंड बिफोर d वी हैव 2. सो व्हाट वी कैन डू ओवर हियर, एंड ऊपर प्लस माइनस है तो इट इज वेरी क्लियर कि वी हैव टू अप्लाई कॉम्पोनेंडो डिविडेंडो. व्हाट वील डू, विल मल्टीप्लाई both sides by 3 by 2. So if we'll multiply both sides by 3 by 2, so we'll get 3a by 2b equal 3c by 2d. Thus now we'll applying componendo and dividendo. We'll apply that. So when we'll apply componendo and dividendo, we'll get 3a plus 2b upon 3a minus 2b equal 3c plus 2d upon 3c minus 2d. Thus this is proved. इसी को we can write in other way also, that is 3a plus 2b is to 3a minus 2b equal 3c plus 2d is to 3c minus 2d. Hence we have proved it. So this is how we have done this question. Now we'll see the next question. So now the question is, p is equals to 4x y and upon x plus y. Now we have to find out the value of p plus 2x upon p minus 2x plus p plus 2y upon p minus 2y. मतलब p के साथ मुझे 2x चाहिए एक बार and p के साथ मुझे 2y चाहिए एक बार. So how we'll solve it? We'll take two cases over here. We'll first of all take case 1. देखिए p is equals to what? 4xy upon x plus y. तो अगर हम 4xy को लिखें तो what we can write? 2x into 2y we can write. Okay. So what we'll do? One time in case 1 we'll bring 2x in the denominator. So we'll get p upon 2x equal 2y upon x plus y. मैं इसको फिर से लिख देती हूँ. वी कैन राइट लाइक दिस 2x इंटू 2y. सो 2x वी हैव ब्रॉट ओवर हियर. तो अब हम इसमें अप्लाई करते हैं व्हाट? अप्लाइंग कॉम्पोनेंडो एंड डिविडेंडो. सी एंड डी का मतलब है क्या? कॉम्पोनेंडो एंड डिविडेंडो. तो अप्लाई करेंगे p प्लस 2x अपॉन p माइनस 2x. देखिए यही चाहिए था. इसकी वैल्यू क्या आएगी? 2y प्लस एक्स प्लस वाई अपॉन 2y माइनस एक्स माइनस वाई. तो इसकी वैल्यू हमको क्या आ गई? 3y plus x upon y minus x. Similarly, we'll take case 2. So in case 2, हमको क्या मिलेगा? p is equals to what? 2x into 2y upon x plus y. तब हम 2y को इधर लेकर आएंगे. p by 2y equal 2x upon x plus y. So we'll apply what? Applying componendo and dividendo, we'll get p plus 2y upon p minus 2y equal 2x plus x plus y upon 2x minus x minus y. So when we'll solve this, we'll get 3x plus y upon x minus y. So see, this is the value of p plus 2x upon p minus 2x, and this is the value of p plus 2y upon p minus 2y. So we'll solve it now. What they have told, p plus 2x upon p minus 2x plus p plus 2y upon p minus 2y. तो हमको क्या मिलेगा? p plus 2x की जगह we'll write this value 3y plus x upon y minus x. Taking minus sign common from here, तो हम नीचे भी लिख सकते हैं क्या? y minus x. तो we'll write y minus x. y minus x I'll take LCM. So 3y plus x minus 3x minus y. thus हमको अब यहाँ पर क्या मिल रहा है? 2y minus 2x upon y minus x. Taking 2 common, so y minus x upon y minus x. This got cancelled. Hence, p plus 2x upon p minus 2x plus p plus 2y upon p minus 2y is equals to what? 2. So this is how we can apply the properties of proportions, and we can solve these questions very easily. So the question is, if x, y, z are in continued proportion, prove that x square minus y square is to x square plus y square equals x minus z is to x plus z. Now see, इसमें हमको अब कौन सा concept apply करना है? The concept which we have studied in proportion, continued proportion. वो यहाँ पर क्या दे रहा है कि it is continued. तो x by y is equals to what? y by z. So इसका मतलब क्या है कि y square किसके equal है? xz. Now what they have told, x square minus y square upon x square plus y square को हमको equal prove करना है किसके? x minus z upon x plus z. तो what we'll do over here, y square की ये value हम यहाँ पर put कर देंगे. So x square minus xz upon x square plus xz किसके equal लाना है? x minus z upon x plus z. तो we'll take x common from this side. So we have taken x common, we'll get x minus z. नीचे से भी x common ले लिया, we'll get x plus z. x minus z upon x plus z. Thus, now we can see कि LHS is equals to RHS. So these are the questions in which we have to apply various concepts which we have studied in these chapters. Hence, proved. Now the question is, using the properties of proportion, solve for x. मतलब I have to identify the value of x using properties of proportion. क्या दिया गया है? x cube plus 3x upon 3x square plus 1 equals 341 upon 91. तो given condition, we'll solve it. Given क्या है? We'll write over here. Given x cube plus 3x upon 3x square plus 1 equals 341 upon 91. So what we'll do over here, we'll apply componendo and dividendo. See, जब मैं componendo and dividendo अप्लाई करूँगी तो a अपॉन b है a प्लस b अपॉन a माइनस b. तो 3x स्क्वायर प्लस 1 अपॉन x क्यूब प्लस 3x माइनस 3x स्क्वायर माइनस 1. 341 प्लस 91 अपॉन 341 माइनस 91. तो ये देखिए आइडेंटिटी बन गई, a क्यूब 3ab 3a square b and b square. So we'll get what? a plus 1 whole cube, x plus 1 cube. Similarly नीचे भी आइडेंटिटी बन गई x minus 1 whole cube. इसको ऐड करते हैं 1 and 1, I'll get 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. 9 4 13, carry 1, 432 upon 1 में से 1 गया 0, 14 में से 9 गया 5 and this will be what? 250. तो अब हम इसको कैंसिल करते हैं. 2 into 2 4, 2 6 are 12, sorry 2 1s are 2 and 2 6 are 12. Here we'll get what? 125. इसका क्यूब अगर हम हटाएंगे तो इधर आ जाएगा क्या? क्यूबिक रूट. तो विल गेट x plus 1 upon x minus 1 equals cubic root of 216 upon 125. Cubic root of 216 upon 125 is what? 6 by 5. 6 का क्यूब होता है 216 एंड 5 का क्यूब होता है 125. तो अब हम क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर लेंगे. वी हैव गॉट x plus 1 upon x minus 1 equals 6 by 5. तो 5x plus 5 equals 6x minus 6. x टर्म्स को एक तरफ लेकर आते हैं. 5x minus 6x equal minus 6 minus 5, thus minus x equal minus 11. तो x क्या आ गया? 11. So this is how we can find out the values of x also. So now the question is, if root of 3a plus 2b plus root of 3a minus 2b upon root of 3a plus 2b minus root of 3a minus 2b equals x. So we have to prove bx square minus 3ax plus b equals 0. अब देखिए इस पार्ट में हमको इसको पूरा सॉल्व करना है. तो विल अगेन अप्लाई सेम थिंग, क्योंकि देखिए अगर हम इसमें कॉम्पोनेंडो एंड डिविडेंडो इफ आई अप्लाई तो ये प्लस एंड माइनस है तो दिस विल बी कैंसल्ड आउट. सो विल सी ओवर हियर x किसके इक्वल है? 3a plus 2b plus 3a minus 2b upon square root of 3a plus 2b minus 3a minus 2b. Denominator में कुछ नहीं है, I'll suppose to be 1. So now what I will do over here? Applying componendo and dividendo. So we'll get x plus 1 upon x minus 1. Here also will apply 3a plus 2b plus 3a minus 2b plus 3a plus 2b minus 3a minus 2b. So देखिए ये एंड ये टर्म कैंसिल हो गया. Similarly over here 3a plus 2b plus 3a minus 2b minus 3a plus 2b आएगा ना. ये ऑलरेडी ये पूरा हमारा दिस फुल इज व्हाट a एंड दिस फुल इज व्हाट b. तो a प्लस b, a माइनस b अब करेंगे तो माइनस माइनस या इट विल बी प्लस 3a माइनस 2b. सो इधर ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा. तो x प्लस 1 अपॉन x माइनस 1 विल गेट व्हाट? ट्वाइस ऑफ रूट स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 3a प्लस 2b अपॉन ट्वाइस ऑफ स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 3a माइनस 2b. 2 गेट कैंसल्ड. इस स्क्वायर रूट को हटाएंगे तो वी हैव टू डू स्क्वायर ओवर हियर. सो विल डू ऑन स्क्वायरिंग बोथ साइड्स. तो what will get? x plus 1 upon x minus 1 square. So we'll get 3a plus 2b upon 3a minus 2b. Now we'll solve this. x square plus 1 plus 2x and नीचे आ जाएगा x square plus 1 minus 2x. अब यहाँ देखिए 3a plus 2b 3a minus 2b सेम है. फिर से again we'll apply what? Componendo dividendo. तो I am writing over here apply C and D, that is componendo dividendo. X square plus 1 plus 2x plus x square plus 1 minus 2x. नीचे x square plus 1 plus 2x minus x square minus 1 minus minus plus 2x. So this and this get cancelled. 1 और 1 कैंसिल हो गया. यहाँ पर 2x कैंसिल. इधर भी ऐसे ही अप्लाई करेंगे. 3a plus 2b plus 3a minus 2b. तो 2b कैंसिल. 3a प्लस 2b माइनस 3a प्लस 2b, तो 3a कैंसल्ड। अब यहाँ देखिए 2x स्क्वायर प्लस 2 एंड यहाँ आ जाएगा नीचे 4x, यहाँ पर 6a अपॉन 4b, दिस 4 एंड दिस 4 गेट कैंसल्ड। अगर हम ऊपर से 2 कॉमन लेते हैं तो 2 कॉमन लेने पर विल गेट x स्क्वायर प्लस 1 इंटू b यहाँ करते हैं इक्वल्स x इधर शिफ्ट करेंगे 6ax, तो 2 1s and 2 3s 6. Now we'll multiply bx square plus b equal 3ax. Shifting 3ax to this side, so bx square minus 3ax plus b equals 0. So this is how we have to simplify the equations using the properties of proportion. So we have completed with ratio and proportion chapter, in which we have discussed all the concepts related to ratio, related to proportion, and also properties. We have also discussed the questions related to it. Now you can easily solve your exercise. Hope you guys are liking my video, so please do like, share it with your friends also, and also please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.